It is strongly recommended that you use option explicit in Visual Studio development or in whatever development, whether it is a C# development. By doing this, the compiler forces that to declare all variables before use. In VBA editor, you need to go to Tools, Options, and then Editor tab. You need to check in this Require Variable Declaration in order to set option explicit. And while working inside Visual Studio, you need to go to Tools, again Options. Here you find the Projects and Solutions, then VB defaults, and see that option explicit is on here as well. About variables, we will see in the next video.